DSS battle Nnamdi Kanu in court today. Ban his lawyers from using phone until the trial is over. Imagine, they don't know say all their secrets dey inside this very phone. My dear listeners, I greet you on this very day. You are all welcome to yet another very special broadcast this morning. This is a shocker with something that has never happened before. But let me ask this very question. Does DSS have the power to stop the lawyers from using their phone in the courtroom? Yes, I know that when a hearing is going on, no phone is expected to ring, neither is the ring phone of the judge or motosho. Am I right? Yes, I know. But on this very hearing today, it is now presented as a protocol that no phone must be used, even as an exhibit to present an evidence. Hey, my people, I beg make una quick go click on the red subscribe button because this very information is very important. You know, the arrival of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu today really brought a serious shock as the DSS officers battle hard order the removal of every gadget, including phones belonging to Nnamdi Kanu's counsel. My dear people, this is a shocker, a very serious one, as the lawyers to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, gave the DSS officers a serious legal confrontation, questioning him on who they are, to order them to drop their phone, for what reason and why, who give you that sobriety. You understand now. Wetin give them that confidence to order them to drop their phone? It is embarrassing and insulting. Yes, so as it is right now, all phones belonging to the lawyers to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and even the federal government's counsel phones and gadgets is put away. Only a camera which is agreed on by the judge, that is a standing camera which the federal government has approved as a recording gadget, is allowed to be on ground for today's hearing. The son to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the six sons, demonstrate serious anger and embarrassment, feeling embarrassed by the federal government, and also by the protocol put up by the DSS and the judge Omotosho. This is very insulting, as everyone began to ask what and reason why they have done this, and why this cannot be condoned or accepted. Me personally, I've never seen something of this kind. You observed it that each time they come to court, everyone brings out his phone for a recording. It's not so. You see Nnamdi Kanu's brother and everybody shooting, recording, and all of that. But I think they witnessed and observed something. And you know what they observed? They discovered that from the recordings the Nnamdi Kanu is getting, and Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers are getting, they are using it to derive evidences they are using against the federal government on the subsequent hearing. But whatever is the case, that shouldn't have warranted them to order them to put away their phone completely. The lawyers, they do put away their phone, but on the part of evidence, they are not supposed to say that it shouldn't be accepted. And the funniest part of this is that some evidence that which the lawyers to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be presenting during a cross-examination is also embedded in their phone. The senior lawyer Ejimako has said that there is no way he will be asked to put off his own, because 40% of his evidences are embedded inside this phone as an exhibit which he will be presenting to Justice Omotosho for observation. You see that. And another thing observed is that the masked witness which everyone discovered has been unmasked. What I mean is secret exposed. Yes, his secret has been exposed. The federal government discovered that from the recording taken from the phone, they were able to discover from the facial expression of the masked witness that he is not genuine and he is not real in all of his confession while he's in court. And this is one of the evidence Omotosho was able to make use of in giving his judgment in the last hearing. That was the last hearing before this very one. So they just want to put away anything. The federal government want to put away every distraction and evidences that we expose them and make them the Nnamdi Kanu's counsel not to record victory in today's hearing. But no matter what and no matter the politics they try to play, victory will still be recorded. I tell you, no going back on this very matter. All right, my dear listeners, based on what already have just been said, what is your opinion? What do you think and what you say about this new development? Because it never go down well with me. It no go down with me at all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this very video. This is The Law TV.